Shared, VPS, cloud? If choosing a web host feels like decoding a secret language, don't worry, you're not alone. How to choose the right hosting? Simply explain. Hi everyone, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow that aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits go towards free IT classes and befriending events in the community, helping bridge the digital divide one click at a time. Here's the thing, choosing the wrong hosting can make your website slow, unreliable, and prone to crashes, which is terrible for user experience and even worse for SEO. Whether you're running a personal blog, a business, or an e-commerce store, the right hosting directly impacts your site's speed, uptime, and security. Let's face it, web hosting can be confusing. Terms like 99.9% uptime, bandwidth limits, and CDN integration sound more like alien code than helpful advice. The wrong hosting can mean slow websites, frequent crashes, terrible SEO, and angry users who click away after 3 seconds. And let's be real, not all hosting is created equal. Here are some solutions and recommendations. 1. Understand the types of website hosting. Let's break it down with a sandwich analogy. Yes, we're going there. Shared hosting. Think of it like a buffet table. Everyone's using the same plate. Great for beginners. But if someone else's site goes viral, your site might crash along with it. VPS hosting, virtual private server. Like having your own lunchbox at the same table. More control, faster speeds. Slightly pricier, but worth it if you're growing. Cloud hosting. This is your Uber Eats of hosting, flexible, scalable, follows your appetite or traffic. Auto scales with demand pricing can be unpredictable. Dedicated hosting. This is like renting an entire restaurant. Full control, top security, max speed expensive, recommended for big businesses or huge e-commerce sites. Shared versus VPS versus cloud versus dedicated hosting. Which one fits you too? Match hosting to your website goals. Ask yourself, is this for a small blog? Go with shared hosting, running a growing online store. Choose VPS or cloud hosting. Expecting big traffic spikes? Cloud hosting is your best friend. Need top-notch performance and security? Go for dedicated hosting. Practical tip, match hosting. Type to your website purpose. 3. Check key features before you commit. Buying hosting without checking features is like booking a hotel with no beds or Wi-Fi. Look for 99.9% uptime guarantee. No one likes surprise downtime. Free SSL certificate shows your site is safe. SSD storage, lightning fast page loads. User-friendly control panel. cPanel is your BFF. 24/7 customer support, not just Monfry 9, 5. Must-have hosting features for beginners and pros. 4. Don't forget scalability and backups. If your website grows, and we hope it does, your hosting should grow with it. Choose plans that offer easy upgrades. Make sure they offer automatic backups, so your data is safe even if something breaks. Scalable hosting equal to future-proof success. 5. Our top hosting recommendations. Now for the good stuff, our hosting heroes of 2025. Bluehost beginner-friendly free domain for the first year, one-click WordPress install. SiteGround ultra-fast servers. Excellent customer support, free daily backups. Hosting our cheapest plans with decent speed. Modern dashboard UI, great for portfolios. Whether you're just starting or scaling up, choosing the right hosting is your first step toward digital success. But why stop there? Empower yourself with essential digital skills and unlock new opportunities with OneConnect. Our services, digital skills training community. Outreach expert, guidance affordable courses. Our products, digital resources, website design and maintenance. Join OneConnect and start your journey towards digital success. Learn from experienced mentors and join a growing community making technology accessible to all. If you like this video, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and check out our links below for more help, guidance, and ways to support our cause. Visit our website to learn more about our services and products. We want to hear from you. Do you have any experiences or tips on this topic? Share them in the comments to help others in our community. Also, let us know what you're most interested in learning about next. Your feedback helps us create content that matters to you. Thank you for being part of our journey, and see you next time.